Hi there, it's Stuart from Westport Vets. This video is just to give a brief update on what's going on with Westport Vets this week. So, last week, one of my team members had to isolate due to COVID. He's not got COVID, he's just having to isolate because of track and trace. Then over the weekend, one of my nursing team developed signs and was tested and has come back positive for COVID. So that has meant that a few of us have been tracked and traced. Now, we started working before any of us were tracked and traced, and as soon as we knew any of this was going on, some staff started working from home from last week, and then again before we've been tracked and traced this week. So currently there's myself and two nurses have been tracked and traced, and the other vet from last week, and then one of our nurses. So it means we're down to skeleton staffing at the Linlthgow surgery this week. So we are only doing urgent emergency cases. We've been getting through the appointments diary to cancel appointments or move them to our South Queensferry surgeries. So while we are on minimal staffing in Linlthgow, South Queensferry and drumbrae are still fully staffed, and we have availability there for essential appointments. So a big thing that would massively help us is at the Linlthgow surgery, please do not phone unless you really have to. So if it's an urgent emergency, phone, no problem. If you have arrived for your appointment or arrived to collect medications, then obviously phone as well, and we can get that sorted. Otherwise, we please ask if you can email, and the email address is surgery@westportvets.com. So surgery@westportvets.com. Bear with us, we'll get back to you as soon as we can. There's just lots of emails coming through at the moment. We might ask you to go to our South Queensferry surgery if you're a Linlthgow client. We might not have availability for a week or so. At the moment, we don't really know. We're sort of winging it a little bit because we don't know when we're all going to be back and running properly. We're all, I think most of us are back after the track and trace, assuming nothing else happens, on Monday the 8th. So that's when things will get us back to some sort of relative normality. Another quick reminder is, when you arrive for your appointment, please wear your mask. We're still getting lots of clients not arriving with their masks. So we understand we're doing these consults outside, but we still need you to wear your masks and keep your distance. So please try and keep 2 meters away when we're doing anything outside. Also, only one person at a time. Again, lots of clients arriving with their pets and lots of family members. Sometimes you'll have to have them if it's kids coming with you or whatever, and we completely understand that. But all we're asking is, where possible, come one person with one pet. So that's it. A bit of a stressful week that we're trying to work through. We are getting through it, although it's only Tuesday, but we're getting through it. So if you have any questions, please email in surgery@westportvets.com for the Linlthgow clients, sqf@westportvets.com for South Queensferry clients, and drumbrae@westportvets.com for drumbrae clients, Edinburgh clients. Hopefully we'll be back to normal-ish next week. Thanks.